Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webull for swing trading. First, download the Webull application from your App Store or navigate to their official website. You will then need to complete the registration process, providing your personal details and linking a bank account. To activate your trading capabilities, ensure you fund your account with at least $50. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the platform's features and beginning your trading journey. Swing trading is a strategy designed to capture profits from price swings over a period of a few days to several weeks. Unlike day trading, you are not closing positions within the same day. The core idea is to identify potential price movements using technical analysis, such as chart patterns and indicators. This approach allows traders to capitalize on market momentum without the constant monitoring required by shorter-term strategies. Webull offers robust tools essential for effective swing trading. Leverage its advanced charting capabilities to perform in-depth technical analysis, identifying key support and resistance levels. Create personalized watch lists to keep a close eye on potential stocks that fit your swing trading criteria. Furthermore, utilize real-time market data and a wide array of technical indicators, such as the moving average convergence divergence and relative strength index, to inform your decisions. When executing trades on Webull, always use limit orders to ensure you enter and exit positions at your desired prices. This precision is vital for maximizing profits and minimizing losses in swing trading. Crucially, implement stop-loss orders on every trade to protect your capital from unexpected market reversals. Regularly review your past trade performance to identify patterns, learn from your experiences, and continuously refine your swing trading strategy for better outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.